This week, all the eyes were on President Cyril Ramaphosa's State of the Nation address. The president promised rapid broadband deployment, among other measures, to stimulate the South African economy. Also in the news, telecommunications group Telkom has seen growth in its mobile and fiber businesses. The Marathon smartphone manufacturing facility is set to be sold on an offer basis. The courts have ordered Vodacom to recalculate a fair compensation for its former employee, Nkosana Makate's police call invention. Finally, Samsung has unveiled 3 new smartphones in its Galaxy S series. For these and more news, visit www.itweb.co.za. www.itweb.co.za.